So Ayşenur, you cooked a feast here. This is not food for 4 people, this is a feast for a whole army.
Thank you.
Whole army of 4 people in this case.
Well, that's how we do. Even if there is a 2 person, our guests or 10, doesn't matter.
Absolutely.
We
And for
love
me-
to.
It's very important not only for your stomach to get full, but also for your eyes to get full and your nostrils. You know, you have so many different smells, so I cannot even describe it here. And it really shows not only your talent, but also your passion for what you do. And I appreciate the time and effort you put into this. We went to the market together and you were very careful about what were you choosing, even on a classic supermarket. What is the importance of good quality ingredients, and also what makes the markets in Istanbul so unique?
Well, the importance is of course freshness, quality. How I check it, like from the smell, from its color. Of course, it changes depends on the what I'm choosing, buying. I try to make when it's the season. Either for example, brine the grape leaves to keep it myself year long from the fresh ones I get collect. As the markets, it's nice to get like local producers in the markets year long. But the best thing always is to get
Seasonal.
the seasonal foods.
When we went to the butcher, you knew the person and he knew you, and of course it's a different level of trust and relationship, but he knows that if he lets you down with the quality, you're not coming back, a lifelong customer. I think this is the small part in Istanbul that makes you understand that it's not just strangers among strangers, it's an extended version of family.
You
know,
don't
they
get-
care about you as a customer.
Exactly. You don't get that in big supermarkets. Yeah, it's nice to buy from local shops too, always.
Now I'm really excited to try your soup. So let's see. So what does it have inside?
Yeah, it's a strained basic lentil soup we have. You can find it in like almost every restaurant you go. It has like onions, butter, and you can add garlic, but we go with a simple way. And a little bit I add as a hint some flour to give nuttiness. I saute and then add the rest, the lentils.
Absolutely. And you added what, paprika, was it?
Yeah, the paprika sauce is kind of a must-have in Turkish cuisine to make the
Also in
final
manti. I've
touch.
seen it also in
Mhm.
manti. Is it
Yeah,
the same
yeah,
one?
exactly.
It feels homey. You know, it feels like a heartwarming soul food. And I really appreciate it because it warms you up. It makes you feel, I don't know, appreciated. Kind of like you're back at your mom's house.
Exactly.
It's really, really nice.
That's what I want you to feel like in the mountains.
And I do feel like I'm home here. Absolutely. You made us feel welcome immediately. You started your YouTube career about 14 years ago. How has it helped you to learn more, maybe, or appreciate your cuisine?
My like YouTube career grew, and my also like learnings, experiences continue to grow with it, because when I make the contents, when I like look for the research for the new recipes, I also get more experience. And when I made my channel like global, I begin to do like more classic version recipes, and like from historical with historical researches, I got the Ottoman cuisine recipes. So it also made me go to another level to search more, so I can give more to my viewers, like the beginning from the history, the behind of it, and to share like more not well-known recipes too.
And it's very important because you also get to understand your own history and your ancestors. It's very important. How does it make you feel when you share your culture with a wider audience? So many more people get to understand, breaking stereotypes, of course, and understanding what really Turkish or Istanbul or from Samsun or from Cappadocia, whatever recipe you do, culture is like.
Well, I feel responsible because I do represent like my cuisine. I believe it is important because somehow like the popular recipes, popular dishes can be like too much seen, but there are lots of it behind to discover. So I try to bring that out. And I also got lots of nice comments that they, through my recipes, they remember like their grandma's dishes that is forgotten. For example, they live abroad, they cannot reach the Turkish food, so they make it themselves. If they have a Turkish boyfriend, they want to cook for him, so they make it for them, and they give thanks to me.
You're an important part of connecting everybody, and it's like you say, it's a big responsibility, but also really rewarding when you step back and think of how many more people are appreciating your culture just from communicating with them through a screen.